8254. What section in the instructions for continued airworthiness is FAA approved? A. Engine maintenance manual or section. B. Engine overhaul manual or section. C. Airworthiness Limitations Section. The correct answer is C. The Airworthiness Limitations section in the Instructions for Continued Airworthiness, ICA, is FAA approved. This section outlines the specific inspections, checks, and maintenance tasks that are required to ensure the continued airworthiness of the aircraft or engine. 8255. Which of the following conditions is usually not acceptable to any extent in turbine blades? A. Cracks. B. Pits. C. Dents. The correct answer is A. Cracks in turbine blades are usually not acceptable to any extent. Cracks can significantly compromise the structural integrity of the blades and can lead to catastrophic failure. Therefore, any presence of cracks in turbine blades is generally considered unacceptable and should be addressed promptly. 8256. 1. Serviceability limits for turbine blades are much more stringent than are those for turbine nozzle vane. 2. A limited number of small nicks and dents can usually be permitted in any area of a turbine blade regarding the above statements. A. Both I and 2 are true. B. Neither 1 nor 2 is true. C. Statement 1 is true. The correct answer is C. Statement 1 is true, stating that serviceability limits for turbine blades are generally much more stringent than those for turbine nozzle vanes. Turbine blades are subjected to higher temperatures, stresses, and rotational forces, making their serviceability limits stricter to ensure safe and reliable operation.